SM Library is the library module inside our school management plugin for WordPress. I'll add books, issue them, track returns, and generate library cards. From the left menu, I open SM Library. The dashboard gives me 3 blocks: Books, Add New, Import, Issue Books, Quick Issue, and a link to View Books Issued. Library cards. Issue new cards or view existing. We'll go left to right. I click View Books. Here's the full catalog with sortable columns: title, author, subject, rack number, book number, ISBN, price, quantity, and an issue book action on every row. Top right, search. Top bar, view books issued, add new books in bulk, and add new book. When a student is at the desk, I can issue directly from a row using Issue Book. I'll add a new title. Click Add New Book. Required title is first, then author, subject, price, quantity. I can add a description, plus library logistics, rack number, and book number. Finally, ISBN for accurate tracking. Hit Add New Book to save. Now, Books Issued shows every transaction: book title, issued to, enrollment number, class, section, issued quantity, date issued, return date, status, and book metadata. Statuses like returned make audits painless. If I need to issue more, the Issue Book button is right here too. Next, library cards. Each row shows card number, issued to, enrollment number, class, section, date issued, and a print icon for physical cards. To generate cards in bulk, click Issue Library Cards. Set a prefix and a starting number. The system auto-increments from there. Choose the class, optionally filter by section, set the date issued, and hit Manage Library Cards to create the batch. In under 2 minutes, we reviewed inventory, added a book, issued and tracked returns, and bulk-generated printable library cards.